Hello? What? It's been how long? Any suggestions? Yeah, cottage cheese has been getting a lot of action lately. Let me see what I can do. All right, no, I haven't died, I'm still here. Too many projects, and I'm still waiting on Elon Musk to create some type of time machine. On a side note, the first step is always the hardest, right? Rather than talk, let's just go for action and start it off with some super easy cottage cheese pancakes that are packed with great macros. And guess what? You don't need protein powder to make them. So here we go. For this one, since we're using cottage cheese and you probably don't want that texture in your pancakes, take out a blender or food processor. And after that, we really only have 3 steps. Step 1, add in 3/4 cup of cottage cheese, 2 large eggs, 2 large egg whites, 1 tablespoon of your favorite sweetener. I prefer erythritol, half a cup of coconut flour, or if you don't have that on hand, any flour should work. By the way, links to these guys below, and we'll talk about this in another video. Follow that with 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now before we jump into the next step, you can easily change up the flavor or macros of these by adding in things like cocoa powder, peanut or other nut butter, protein powder, ground cinnamon, and so on. Step 2, blend or process everything together. Pretty easy so far, right? And last, step 3, throw a pan on medium heat, coat it with some non-stick cooking spray, and make your pancakes however big you want them. Should cook each side for around a minute or 2. I think we covered everything. The whole recipe maybe takes 10 minutes. I miss you all. I'll be hanging out in the comments below, so feel free to drop me a question or something. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that little thumbs up button to help out the channel if you like these recipes. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy.